Malta, officially known as the Republic of Malta, Maltese, Republika ta, Malta, is an island country in the European Union consisting of an archipelago in the Mediterranean Sea, and considered part of southern Europe. It lies 80 kilometers, 50 miles, south of Sicily, Italy, 284 kilometers, 176 miles, east of Tunisia, and 333 kilometers, 207 miles, north of Libya. The official languages are Maltese and English, and 66% of the current Maltese population is at least conversational in the Italian language. Malta has been inhabited since approximately 5900 BC. Its location in the center of the Mediterranean, 18, has historically given it great strategic importance as a naval base, with a succession of powers having contested and ruled the islands, including the Phoenicians and Carthaginians, Romans, Greeks, Arabs, Normans, Aragonese, Knights of St. John, French, and British.